Tinapa is life. So, as the word itself, it's smoked fish. Pero buhay. Buhay tinapa. It all started with something that I wanted to change, which is my health. Nagka-diabetes. I took out pork and beef sa diet ko. And I started eating a lot of fish, chicken, vegetable, and did not even reduce rice. FBS 7.2, naging 5.1 after 6 months. So sabi ko, parang may buhay talaga sa tinapa. Tinapa is life. Okay. So, bakit tinapa? Bakit ko na-choose ang tinapa? Well, number one, I love tinapa. But also, aside from being healthy, ang tinapa, sabi nga nila, pagkain ng mga mahirap. No? But I beg to disagree. No? It's not just that. Kaya feeling ko, ang tinapa deserves to be not just the food that you ignore, but also the food that you can be proud of. Not just dito sa Pilipinas, but also outside. So hopefully, katulad ng kimchi, katulad ng croissant, yung foreigners, alam rin nila anong ibig sabihin ng tinapa.